right, your question for number 2 said triangle PSV is shown on the coordinate grid. The coordinates of each vertex, that's just the corners where the points are, of the triangle are integers. Okay. What is the slope of line segment PV? So from P to V, what is the slope of this line? Record your answer on your answer document. Okay, I'm going to be real honest. Over half of you got the right slope, but you said it was positive instead of negative or negative instead of positive. Okay, so we're going to pay real close attention to that. All right. All right, so here's a rough sketch of your problem. I'm sorry, I forgot to print it. Okay, and we're finding the slope of this line from P to V. Okay, so I'm finding the slope of this. All right. If you remember, the way that we find slope, the steepness of the line, is we're going to compare your rise. So slope is the rise from one point to another, the vertical change over the run. Okay, so how far up or down you have to go between the 2 points, and then how far right or left you have to go between the 2 points. All right, and you divide those. So we're going to go how far vertically different they are, and then how far over different they are. I'm actually going to bring back this picture. So we're going to count on here. From this one down to here, we're actually jumping down 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. Remember, you're not counting lines. You're counting the jumps, the loop-de-loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sorry, I wrote on my screen. So we went down 4 and over from this line to this line where this guy is. We went over 1. Okay. So down 4 over 1. So my rise was actually down 4. Okay. And then I went over 1. All right. Since we went down 4, we're going to call it -4. But also, if you don't know, okay, this line segment, if I write my name going on it, over the top of it, I'm writing name going down the page. So this is a negative slope. So 4 divided by 1, we're going to have a -4. So even if you didn't know which number is supposed to be negative, you know the final slope is supposed to be negative. Okay. So over half of you put the answer as +4, and really it's -4. You do have to grid that negative in a griddable.